I had to abandon my gun. Out of ammo. Hey, this should be good. Sure, this looks nice. Got a lot of these babies. That soldier! Sonnery hears you. Tell all the idiot soldiers, don't break your gun on the cement. Look, he's still alive. Yeah, we'll alive this. Alright, Home Central 2, a.k.a. the basement. Alright, need to get into this. It's dark in here. Darkness. Sucker! Get a load of this. Think you can fool me, buddy? All the soldiers are dead. Alright, we need to get back to base, aka Playroom. Go check out on Agent B.
No church. No church. No.
Alright. Alright. So, hello, Agent Beans. Noticed your nice nap?
Yeah.
Well, hey. Oh, little Mr. Baby. Need another one? Yes. And, hey, I'll be taking that from now on. Other times, best gun. Party. Everyone in that special room is down. Let's go. Alright. First person here. Alright. Apparently there's still a dead guy there. Again. Engineer! You're dead. Not unless... Stinky, sneak up on me. It's locked. I'm immune to bullets. Most of the time. Darts will hurt me, but... Where's your master? Who's your master?
I'm dead.
Give me your master. You're still... Get up. Get up. Get up. Where? Who's your master? Where is he?
I don't know what he is.
Who is he? Tell me. Who's your master? Worthless soldier. Find another one to go tick, 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 boom. Left off grenade. 12-pack. Sheet. You're still living. Who is your master? Tell me. And you do that. Tell me who it is. Tell me who it is.
It's over. The bank.
Bank, a.k.a. the garage. Petrol! Red laser dots. Get it, Petrol. Go. Wakey, wakey, Captain. Time to say hello to my little friend. Alright. Wakey, wakey. Alright. Get up. Alright, now thanks for watching this. CJ, best actor ever. Just, really? I think he may have broke half the guns. Camera's dying. Bye.